How to get Replika AI subscription for less. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can get a Replika AI subscription. So let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on the website and this is how it looks like. So here you can see you can create your own Replika. Replika is basically an AI companion that you can create on your own, and it's pretty cool. So here you can go ahead and pretty much do whatever you want with it. So all you got to do is just simply come over here and click on create your Replika over here. And again, make sure you check the link in the description below. You will find the links to the website along with some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply and save money. So let's get into it. So here I'm going to go ahead and create an account by Google. You can continue with whichever you want. And here, and after that, you just need to add your names and your pronouns, and then just simply hit the continue button, select your age and click on continue. Then just choose your avatar. So I don't know which one to choose. Continue. And then here you can add your Replika's name and their gender. So I'll just say Sam and click on continue. And then you just simply select the month you want. All right. Okay, select the subscription you want, and then just simply add your card info over here and just simply hit the continue. And here you can view the subscription terms if you want, and you should be good to go. It's as simple as that. Also, if we come over here in the help section, we can see all of their subscriptions and stuff like that. So here you can see purchase, all their refunds, do they offer a free trial if you want to go ahead and check them out. So pretty cool. So it's pretty cool. But right now they don't offer a free trial, but it's fine. You can just simply go ahead and continue chatting with your Replika. Is free. You can message your AI companion anytime, which is pretty cool. So make sure you check the link in the description below for the website. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.